Welcome to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg, and today is a big day for the channel. We're at Negrete's tire shop in Yuma, Arizona, and he's got a huge selection, as you guys can see all around me, of different wheels and tires. And we're gonna get set up on 35s today for the ZR2. So let's... So I'm going to be throwing on the Nitto Ridge Grapplers 35 by 12.5 R17 LT. Same exact setup that I had on Big Blue. So super stoked to throw them on. I would love to throw 37s on in the future. Got to make more room, more adjustments for that to happen. But 35s for now, super stoked. And I'll show you the wheels here shortly. Huge shout out to Negrete for letting us use his shop for one, and helping out with this project. Couldn't do it without him. If you guys are anywhere near Yuma, Arizona, you got to come here, check out his shop. Couldn't be more grateful for him helping out with this project. Thank you. We're gonna let them take over and let them work. So I've also partnered up with TREX for this video. I got their T300 wheels, 17 by 8.5 plus 0 offset. Super stoked to throw these on. Just wait till you see the finished product. Turned out a million times better than I would have ever imagined. Seeing them in the picture doesn't do it quite enough justice. So hopefully in the video we can give them the justice that they deserve. They're a phenomenal wheel for off-roading. Looking forward to throwing them on and seeing how it all transforms the truck. Here at Negrete's tire shop in Yuma, they do lifts, tires, alignment, balancing, TPF, paint correction, ceramic, window tint, and also bed liners. So make sure that you guys, if you have any of those needs, come see these guys here. Their team will take care of you here at Negrete's. finished product. Seeing them just sit right there. These guys are top notch. I mean, these guys have all the tools here, whether you're installing the lift, wheels, tires, you name it. Come to Negrete's, they will take care of you. The whole team is awesome. I mean, they all know what they're doing. Sitting in Negrete's showroom right now. Cannot wait. I'm on pins and needles for this final review. And most of all, I can't wait to share it with you guys. But if you are in the Yuma area or do happen to swing by the Yuma area, make sure you check out Negrete's showroom. Him and his guys will take care of you. They have all the tools needed to give you your lift, your suspension, your balance, your alignment, and much more. They do tint and wraps as well. So make sure you check out Negrete's. Top notch. I couldn't be happier. And now we wait. I cannot wait to see this finished product, guys. Jeez. Dang. That looks good. It looks like a totally different truck, man. Damn. That's crazy. Wow. That's not even the same truck. I mean, it transforms the whole thing. Little bit more of a poke, the wider tires, obviously taller tires too. Unbelievable. Looks awesome. Couldn't be happier. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I cannot thank Negrete and his crew enough. The truck is transformed. Night and day difference from where it was just this morning or just a couple weeks ago. All of these changes are happening so fast, and I couldn't be more grateful for each and every one of you for tuning in, for the crew here at Negrete's for helping out and doing their work, because they are top notch. So if you made it this far in this video, make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow on, hit that notification button for future videos. Están bien, perros.
Let's go.